This is a 2004 Chevy Corvette. It's a C5 model with a LS1 motor. We have just done a heater core bypass on this car, and there's a number of reasons you would want to do this if you have a problem with the heater core and you just don't have the time to fix it properly. Well, you bypass the heater core. There's a right way and a wrong way to do the heater bypass. Keep watching and I will show you the right way to do it. Let's take a quick look under the hood. The heater hoses come out of the thermostat housing, which is on the passenger side of the engine. There's a 3/4 inch hose and a 5/8 inch hose, and there is a kit online available supposedly to bypass these hoses. Here's a picture of a bypass kit for the heater core. It includes a tight bend hose and 2 clamps. And here's a picture of the kit installed on the car. You can find kits like this by searching for LS heater core bypass. The problem with the kit is that the Corvette has an expansion tank for the coolant system. This means that the entire coolant system is connected, is pressurized, and flows through the coolant tank. And this includes the heater hoses. The return from the heater core passes through the expansion tank before going back down into the thermostat housing. And you can see this right here. There's the hose on the right that comes back from the heater core, and there's the hose that goes back down into the thermostat housing. And let's look at it again from the other side. So looking from above, here's that hose that goes back down into the thermostat housing. So the long short of this is, if you loop the hoses right here as shown in the product photo, then you're going to leave a big gaping hole coming out of the expansion tank, and all your coolant will just flow out. So you cannot do it the way that's shown in the coolant photo. The correct way to do the heater core bypass is to actually leave these hoses for the heater core in place and follow them back to where they connect with the heater hose tubes, which is right here. So right here, we've disconnected the hoses, and this is where we've looped it. So we've disconnected the 2 hoses from the hard lines for the heater core, and we've installed 2 hose couplers that will fit 5/8 hoses on both sides, and one of them goes to 3/4. The other one is a straight 5/8. So this fits right here, and when you put it here, it loops the coolant flow right back into the reservoir where it should go, and everything functions exactly as it should. And you can tuck this away here. You can see where I've capped the hard lines. Just put some caps on them to protect them from the elements. And I'm just going to tuck this back down here by the hard lines, where it will just be out of harm's way. And it will stay there. So that's it for the correct way to loop the heater hoses. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.